Yes, Katie Gadgets Uganda, the only channel that reviews for you gadgets so that you can better understand them before you make a buying decision. Alright, so welcome. Today I'm unboxing with you the Spark 40. This is the new phone from Tecno. It has been released in 2025. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly good phone with 3 cameras, this is the best phone to go for. You don't need to break your bank if you need a good phone in 2025. This is a phone that can do the work. Right, let's go over and know and see what it comes with, what is the best thing, what has Tecno offered us this time in a nutshell. All right, let's go. First of all, let's look at its design. So you can see its design. It's very sleek, slim. It's in the screen size. It has 3 cameras on the back, 1, 2, 3, and the funny thing, all these cameras carry 50 megapixels. Yes, and for the front camera, it has 8 megapixels. If you are a person who loves taking pictures, this could do the work. Can take very, very great pictures. Okay, so when we open the box, they'll give you a free phone cover. They'll give you a 45 watts charger and headphones. And also they'll give you a SIM card removal pin. Okay, here. You can see it has infrared remote control, which means with this Spark 40, you can control your TV using this phone. Free link, free call without signal. Which means if you have the same device, you can call each other without needing a SIM card. Okay? Side fingerprint unlocking. So when you look here on the side, this is the power button. This is the volume up, volume down, volume up button. This is the power button. The power button works the same as the fingerprint. Okay? And it also has a Face ID unlocking function. So you can unlock your phone using your face. It's also drop resistant and water resistant with an IP level of 64. Okay, 128 GB with 8 GB RAM. They give you 128 GB of storage and 8 GB RAM. So for the price range, for me, I think it is a very good phone and very affordable. Anyone who wants a good phone and reliable with a long battery, because the battery comes with a 5200 amps battery. This phone comes with a 5200 amps battery. It can take you throughout the day without any issues. That is Tecno. Other than that, I love the design, I love the color. It looks very, very nice. And you can order it on WhatsApp. The number is in the description, just down below. If you're in Uganda, it can be delivered anywhere you are. This is the Tecno Spark 40. This is their free cover they give you. See? So, this is Tecno Spark 40. It comes with a Type-C charger. Okay, and it has a headphone jack also. It has a headphone jack, it has a Type-C charger and dual speakers for good sound. And even when we try to check for the camera, its refresh rate is very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It's very fast. It comes with Android 15. Okay, it comes with Android 15. Let's try to test the camera. You can see the camera is looking very, very nice. So at least today, Tecno never disappointed. This is a very good low budget phone. This is a very good phone that is budget friendly. Okay, so remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. This is the only channel in Uganda that reviews for you gadgets and gives you more insight so that you buy with knowledge. Okay, remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. Okay, remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. Okay, KT Gadgets Uganda, the only channel that sells for you gadgets and helps you understand them better so that you can have better insight while you're making a buying decision. Okay, and lastly, this phone comes with another feature, that is the Tecno AI. Tecno AI is like a virtual assistant that will help you if you have any questions. Wee-oo, wee-ya.